Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's recap here and let's look at what's going on in the market and what we see moving forward. It's 1 o'clock here, Central Standard Time. You see I have crude up here because I've been watching crude really closely today. We've taken some crude opportunities in a live trading room. I'm still watching crude for multiple reasons. A, for trading, and B, I do have some longer term swing positions which I'm looking to get out of that we've been short for some time here on. So I am looking to maybe manage out of this maybe here coming this afternoon. You see we're getting this little pop here into the close. If we get a little bit of a pop into the close, I want to be very careful here on crude because it still has this previous swing low which it's testing right now. So the next hour or so is going to be very interesting. I want to see if this is going to hold this level and roll over, and if it can do that and have a nice sell-off here, that would be encouraging to the downside. But we are in a little bit of a support area. If I just pull up the dailies here, let me get rid of that and let's kind of zoom out here. We are coming into this support area. Now it's not quite all the way down to these lows, but nonetheless it is definitely down to the area of support. So any bounce like this is a cause for concern being short, but that's long term. We're very successful already. I'm just looking for an opportunity to maybe get out of this longer term position. So I will be watching for the next hour. I want to see what in the world. If this thing sells off, I'll probably hold this for another day. If it continues to rally into the close, I'm going to take my profits and go home. So that's where I'm at on crude. If crude is able to close above this support area, I will come in tomorrow and look for longer opportunities above that level, and more importantly, above wherever today's high is. Say today's high happens to be right here. We come in tomorrow and we end up trading above it. I'll look for continuation trades back to the upside above it. And the same token to the downside. If we come in tomorrow and we have a sell-off and we get down inside of today's trading range, I will start to short from the previous day's highs down intraday tomorrow. So there's a skinny on crude. Let's take a look at the indexes real fast. Pull this down. Let me zoom out here just a little bit. We talked quite a bit about this yesterday. We basically just said, guys, we got this nice little run to the upside, which is definitely apparent, but the markets are taking a little break. Where could they possibly get another bounce from? Yesterday we drew these fibs from the lows to the highs. We have this 38 and 50% zone just kind of marked up here as a possible support where the market could get a bounce. But I also said if we ever open up one of the days and we trade above the previous day's highs, so meaning that say tomorrow the markets open up, trade down here, and they actually pop above today's highs, I will start going long back with the overall direction of the momentum, back with the overall upside momentum. So basically, I'm just waiting for one of these days to trade above its previous day's high. And then I'll jump right back on the wagon and start trading long again. Same thing here with the NASDAQ. This thing opened up here, popped up, just had a crazy pop this morning, and then it sold off just like the other ones. Here is the Dow. Same thing, kind of getting a little bit of a hammer pattern here, though. If we look intraday at a 5-minute chart here, it had this one little push up, and now it's just kind of holding. So I'm very curious. We still have another 2 hours left in the trading day. I have to step out of the office, so I'm making this video before the end of the day. But still, if we sell off, then I see further pullback here in the Dow as well. But once again, tomorrow I'll be watching for that previous day's high or today's high. If we can push up above the previous day's highs, I'm going to go long. If not, I'm going to keep on looking for opportunities to the short side. And then the Russell. The reason the Russell is different is because we are at that support on the Russell. Looky here, guys. Yesterday we were talking about the Russell actually being at this support. The other one's not even close to this support area with the fibs. And sure enough, look what's happened today. We're having some markets pushing down while the Russell is pushing higher. Now, why would that be? Well, Russell's at support, actually looking to get a little bounce here. So, is it possible that the Russell may drag these other markets to the upside? I think so. So I'm going to watch very closely into the close, and more importantly going into tomorrow. If the Russell closes higher and the other instruments close lower, maybe the Russell's going to drag them other three to the upside. So it's going to be really, really interesting to watch and see how tomorrow trades. But that's my analysis for today, guys. I hope you like it. I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.